Fucking Cockatiels going wild, man.
Hit that whole dog. Y'all finna have some eggs up in this bitch, huh?
Come on, man. This nigga going in. Dude, this nigga, dog, man, this shit, son,
like,
I'm not no fucking nigga. I'm not no nigga to be.
This is some real strange shit, but goddamn.
Son, I ain't one of them niggas. But World Star, man, what the fuck, man? Fucking Cockatiels going in. Man, the Girl Scout cookies gotta have them fucking going crazy.
Yo, hoes is shit. Stroking that hoe.
Son, that's the boy. The one with the orange is the fucking boy.
That's crazy,
son.
She taking that shit. This is wild.
No way. No, son. I gotta be fucking high, son. Son, the girl. No fucking way, man.
This is wild, dog.
Dog, this nigga talking shit while he hitting it.
You like, bitch.
She ain't saying nothing. She like, nigga, do it. Nigga, do it. Oh, I knew he busted. Son, I knew that was it. Son, that nigga went, son. Dude, that nigga, she like, I took it. Oh, you nasty little fucking bird. You nasty motherfucker. Dog, I'm in fucking disbelief, dog. I'm in fucking disbelief, bro.
Son.
Man, I know niggas like, nigga, why this nigga ain't never stopped the video for World Star? Nigga, fuck that, nigga. These bitches then both got up on, man, the Girl Scout.
They straight now, look, they straight now.
Man, these niggas got my heart fucking not even beating. Oh, these niggas then wild out, son. Straight nasty. Dog, what the fuck y'all bitches gonna put them babies? At the bottom of this cage, you nasty motherfuckers, you. Where y'all gonna sit them eggs at? I gotta go get these nasty bitches a box.
Yeah, you gotta get them.
Oh my goodness, man. Dog.
It's finna be some shit.
Son, I ain't even a nigga, but son, I gotta go find out how to put this shit on World Star! World Star!
It's on there.
Son, that shit was the craziest shit I seen for 2014. And a real nigga out from the NO residing in Atlanta. Then the fucking beat went off just at the right time. Do, 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 do.